Whether clothing, furniture, electronics, vehicles or buildings, we surround ourselves with objects that we use only for a limited time. The resources which are extracted from planet Earth to make these objects are used once or twice and then dumped. Yet the resources on our planet are non-renewable and finite, except for rainfall, sunlight, biomass, animals and people. And our global commons have become waste dumps. Within 60 years, we have filled the oceans with millions of low-tech plastic objects and space with thousands of high-tech objects. So, the present industrial economy is not compatible with the natural resources and waste dumps available on planet Earth. More of the same is no business model for success. We need to create higher standards of living from a more intelligent resource use. More from less.
Faiphone started as an awareness-raising campaign around the use of conflict minerals in electronics. And slowly we realized that actually the issues in electronics are so diverse and include the entire supply chain that we needed to become part of the industry.
Therefore, we identified 4 areas that we focus on: mining, design, manufacturing, and life cycle. They each have their own challenges when it comes to environmental footprint and the contribution that these areas have on climate change. For example, if you think of mining, the 4 materials that are mostly associated with conflict minerals are tin, tantalum, tungsten, and gold. So for Faiphone, those were the 4 minerals that we wanted to come up with alternatives first. Design, we really focus on how can you create a long-lasting product, and also how can you make design in order for people to repair it easily or to recycle it more easily in the end. With manufacturing, we look at suppliers that are willing and transparent about the actual challenges in their facilities, and also feel that we can come up with projects and activity that actually improves the worker welfare in these facilities. With Lifecycle, we really try to tackle the growing pile of electronic waste that you have in the world. We have both projects in Europe as well as in Ghana at the moment, where we promote collection and take-back of mobile phones to increase the amount of recycled metals on the world market.
ICT, I think, connects the people who use it to the entire world, but the way it's made also connects you to the entire world. So we really need to start looking not only at tech for good from the use perspective, but how it's actually adding value across the world in the making.